In this last video of the lesson, Insurance Documentation, we will learn about renewal notice, anti-money laundering, and KYC guidelines. Most of the non-life insurance policies are issued on annual basis. There is no legal obligation on the part of the insurers to advise the insured that his policy is due to expire on a particular date. However, as a matter of courtesy and healthy business practice, insurers issue a renewal notice in advance of the date of expiry, inviting renewal of the policy. Now let us understand the concept of money laundering. Money laundering is the process by which criminals transfer funds to conceal the true origin and ownership of the proceeds of criminal activities. By this process, money can lose its criminal identity and appear valid. Criminals attempt to use financial services, including banks and insurance, to launder their money. They make transactions by using false identities, for example, by purchasing some form of insurance and then managing to withdraw that money and then disappearing once their purpose is served. The anti-money laundering guidelines issued by IRDAI indicate suitable measures to determine the true identity of customers requesting for insurance services, reporting of suspicious transactions, and proper record-keeping of cases involving or suspected of involving money laundering. Finally, let us understand what KYC guidelines are. According to the Know Your Customer or KYC guidelines, every customer needs to be properly identified by collection of the documents such as address verification, recent photograph, financial status, and purpose of insurance contract. The agent is therefore required to collect documents at the time of bringing in business to establish the identity of customers. In case of individuals, collect full name, address, contact numbers of insured with ID and address proof, PAN number, and full bank details for NEFT purposes. In case of corporates, collect certificate of incorporation, memorandum and articles of association, power of attorney to transact the business, and copy of PAN card. In case of partnership firms, collect registration certificate if registered, partnership deed, power of attorney granted to a partner or an employee of the firm to transact the business on its behalf, and proof of identity of such person. In case of trusts and foundations, the requirements are similar to that of partnership firms. It is important to note that this information also helps in cross-selling of products and is a helpful marketing tool. Here is a quick look at the topics covered in this chapter. Thank you.